Have you ever wondered what it would sound like to have something just emerge from your body? I've wondered, and I wrote a story about it, and let's take a look at the sound design. The first thing, you're going to be in pain, so you're going to scream. And then there's going to be writhing and bone cracking and flesh tearing. And those together are going to sound sort of like this. But that's just not creepy enough, so we need to add some sort of tone in there. And if that still isn't creepy enough, let's add a toy piano in F minor. And that's my take on what it would sound like to have something emerge from your body. The story's going to come out in like 5 weeks. It's called Host. Look out for it. Nightmare Trials Podcast. Bye. Love you.